zur Wende. Oh, ein Ruderrad backboard.
So Paul and Alex told me that they want some alone time, so they put me in the dinghy. It's actually quite nice here. I hope that I get to go back to the main boat at some point, but so far I am enjoying myself. And of course we're very safe. I'm hooked up to the dinghy and I'm hooked up to the boat via this yellow line, so don't worry. And we even have room service in the dinghy. Alex has made a delicious bread for me. Wow, look at that. It's the classic the what?
Pane tricolore.
Pane tricolore. Wow, beautiful. Thank you.
Welcome. Always to your service. Falsch rum im Dinghy. Wie läuft das so?
Läuft super, oder?
Ja.
It is almost 2 o'clock in the morning. The moon is nice and bright this night, and we are getting ready to leave Öland. And although it's only 2 o'clock, the sky already looks as if the sun is gonna pop up anytime, which is really nice. So it doesn't even really feel like night sailing right now, but it is still quite dark. We are sailing now and we have really nice conditions. We have the wind from the side, which is Désirées' favorite condition. And we have quite nice amounts of wind and not too much wave. So it's pretty nice right now.
The early bird picks the good wind.
The early boat picks the good wind.
How do you like it out here this early in the morning?
It's very nice. Still a little sleepy, but it's just beautiful.
Da-da-da-da-da. Now we're in the middle of some beautiful skärgård sailing. To the left and to the right we have stones. To the front we have a strait where we can go through. And there are so many buoys all the way, so it's quite easy to navigate. But still funny to have rocks so close.
We are sailing through the archipelago north of Västervik, and we're getting close to crossing the 58th degree north. Very close.
I'm going to celebrate this with a cookie.
Yeah, you should. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yoo-hoo! So we are right here right now because we just passed the 58th degree north, and now our goal is to go up through here and over here and then into this bay up here, which looks very nice.
Way back from a little boat party back to Désirées on the dinghy. This is the engine master.
Yeah, full speed.
Perfekt. So nice how close the shore is. And today is a national day in Sweden, so there are a lot of people sitting outside and enjoying. And here we have some swans. Hello! They're fast. Quarter to 12, and it still looks like sunset, and the birds are singing, and the days are still getting longer. So there are many things about to happen at the same time.
It's crazy. We're in the big city.
Right here we have Mälaren. It's the oldest steam-powered propeller equipped
machine that's
ship
original
on the world, and this is about to take off and go through the lock. And then there are, you can't see it on the video, but there are many boats that want to go through the lock, and we want to see that because we want to go through the lock the other day. So let's go there, and we do that real quick.
Go, 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 go.
But we need a short break because here are ducklings. Hello! Okay, here we go. It's the so-called Eindampfen in die Achterspringen. And now we know where it comes from. So we've now seen one full locking maneuver, so we're prepared to go through this. Seems to be the day of the steam-powered vehicles. So here in the old city of Södertälje, there's also a steam-powered train from 1889. No, 1898. Chicken everywhere. And a cow.
Ob ich mich traue? Ja.